So good morning students. Today we are going to see the unit 4 ancient cities of Tamilagam. So you know about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. It is in the ancient India. There are some famous towns in ancient Tamilagam too. Okay. So out of that we are going to see about three major cities. It is Madurai, Kanchi and Pumbugar. In the map you can see the Kanchipuram is in near to Chennai and Pumbugar is a middle, it is near to Tanjavur like that. And as you know, Madurai, it is the middle of Tamil Nadu. Okay. So first of all we can see what is Pumbugar. So first city we are going to see is Pumbugar. This is the oldest town in our ancient Tamilagam. And you may study about Silappatikaram. In Silappatikaram, there are two major characters are there, Kovalan and Kannaki. These two characters are lived in this particular city only. It is a port town which is along the Bay of Bengal, and it is very established facility of maritime trade. Even in the past time, countries began to export very surplus products, and even they import so many commodities via the sea, since it is in a Bay of Bengal. And Pumbugar is one such historical port that merged into during the maritime season. Okay, and it is a coastal town near the present day Mayiladuthurai. Okay, and it is located where Kaveri drain into sea. It is a junction of Kaveri river and the sea meeting place. So nowadays it is called Mayiladuthurai. Nearby only this Pumbugar is situated. And Pumbugar port is there. There is a port. It is called Pumbugar port, or is also known as Puhar or Kaveri Pumpattinam. His another name is Kaveri Pumpattinam. It is a port in Chola kingdom. And how it is known? It is known by some of the Sangam literature like Pattinapalai and Tamil epics, Silappatikaram, Manimekalai. They refers this type of thing in their poetries. From that only we can easily know that it is port in our port city. It is a seashore bronze trade center in that particular area. Okay. This is one of the art of that particular port. So Silappatikaram in a particular speaks about the greatness of Pumbugar, and the leading role female character, that is Kannaki. His father name is Managan. Managan means sea trader. The sea traders are known as Managan. And similarly the male character, the Kovalan father, his name is Masuvanthan. Masathuvan. Okay. So Masathuvan means a big trader. It is clear from the text that Pumbugar was a place where big traders and sea traders were settled down. Similarly, there are numerous merchants from foreign countries such as Greece, Rome. They are also landed at Pumbugar for the trading purpose. And these people, they learn the foreign language. That Pumbugar people also learn the foreign language, and the foreigners also learn the Tamil language. So there is a cultural blending between the two different languages or two different peoples. Okay. Similarly, the traders of Pumbugar are very honesty and their integrity is very high. This is told in that Pattinapalai that selling any commodity at higher price was considered as a bad. That is sin, like a sin. So the author of Pattinapalai, Kadayalur Uttarananar, he belongs to the 2nd century of BC, that is before Christ. Okay. So horses, they imported horses via sea. They similarly pepper, gold, it came from Vadamalai, was polished and exported to overseas countries. Similarly, scandal from Western Ghats, pears from Southern Sea, corals from Eastern Sea, food items from Elam were imported. Okay. So these are the material imported or handled, exported via this Poombuhar port. Okay. The city was well planned. Street was broad. It's a straight. It is well designed houses. They have dockyards. These are land from, or these are read through the help of this Patinapalai and Silapadiyar. Students, similarly, the Poombuhar were very busy port up to 20 AD. But after that, it was washed away by sea, by so many big shore waves like that. So some destruction was happened to that Poombuhar town. And next we are going to see about the Madurai. Madurai is a olden city in India, and it is also called Sangam Valartha Nagaram. Okay. And this picture denotes that Kannagi, that's Silambam. So Pandyas, Cholas, later Kalabras ruled the Madurai in the ancient periods. So Cholas and later Pandyas followed by Nayaks ruled this historic town. These are evidence get from the archaeological excavation done in Keeladi near Madurai. Now it is very famous Keeladi. So Madurai, it is very associated with that Sangam. It is proudly said Sangam Valartha Tamilagam. Madurai is called Sangam Valartha city. So nearly 49 poets were associated with its latest Sangam. A hill fragrant wood was brought from Port Tondi to Madurai. Even if you land in the Bible, there's one person called King Solomon. He built his kingdom or his port with the help of this material exported from Pandian port. That is called Korkai. Okay, near Uvari. So mint of Roman coins were present at Madurai. This shows that there is a trade between Romans and Madurai. Okay. There are so many Greek historic Megadhanis, Chanakya, Chandragupta ministers make mention about this Madurai in their book called Arthasastra. So this is the Tunga Nagaram. It is also called Tunga Nagaram. The merchant called day market is called Nalankadi, and evening merchant is called Alankadi. So people, that is women, can without any fear they can go to that Alankadi without any fear. Even it is in a night, that is evening merchant, but they will go without any fear. Then we are going to see about the third city. It is called Kanchi. Okay. So this Kanchi is very famous for schools. So even Jains, they studied in Jain Palai, and Buddhists studied in Viharas. Okay. So Chinese traveler Hin Suang, who studied at Nalanda University, he visited one day this Kanchi, and he proceeds his further studies here also. He mentioned in this book. So poet Kalidas says Kanchi is the best of that town. Even the Tamil poet Saint Tirunavukkarasar praises Kanchi as Kalvil Karailada Kanchi. Okay, this traveler, the Chinese traveler, he also mentioned, and he say one among the 7 scared places like Buddha Gaya and Sanji. Scholars like Dharmabalar, Jodhibalar, Sumadi, Bodhidharma were born in Kanchi. Students, similarly, the Kanchi is also very famous for temple cities, like the temple called Kailasanadar temple, which was built by Pallava king Rajasimha at Kanchi. During Pallava period, there are a large number of cave temples also built during their period of Pallava period. Okay. Similarly, this Kanchi is very famous for lakes also. There are hundreds of lakes to store water. These lakes are well connected with canals, and this district is called District of Lakes. Okay. The water management in those ancient period, it was very well planned. And in Chola period, that is Chola country, they built that Kallanai. It is also very famous. Similarly, there are so many other things also. Korkai, Vanji, Tondi, Urayar, Musiri, Karur, Mamalapuram, Tanjai, Tahadur and Kayal, other famous cities of ancient Tamilakam. There are so many ancient cities also, but these three we studied in this subject. Okay, I think you may understand something. So if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you students. Best of luck.